So as you have seen, the engine is starting very well. The compression is too high. It takes a huge amount of energy to give a tight kick. So, and also as you have seen, I was showing you about the rear stepney stand, so which will be done by today. I think I need to do some minor work on it, and also waiting for the seat. The seat is available, but I'm deciding whether to put a single seat or the double seat as old. And also the beadings, as I said, it's gone for buffing, waiting for that. And the headlight rim, waiting for that too. So that's it. I think this will be my last video, and my next video will be just a completed project. So thank you guys for watching and supporting. Like, share, subscribe, and cheers.